Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says determinant of this equals to determinant of that. We need to find out value of x. Now, look at this. You know that if there is matrix, we guys can compare. But right now it is determinant, so we cannot compare, correct? So, we have to do little bit of manipulation. Look, I'm observing the numbers to be same x square x2 x square x2 we are having those things. So what I will do, I will take transpose of this thing. You know that transpose does not affect to the value of determinant. So x2 x square 1 1 x 1 x 4. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now look at this. 2 is exactly here. So what I will do, I will interchange two rows. You know that if you will interchange two rows, the value of determinant will become negative of previous one. So x square x 4 2 1 x, correct? X 1 1. So we got this thing. Now 2 is adjusted. Now we have to adjust x over here and x square over here, and that thing will be done if we will interchange these two rows. So if you know that if we will interchange any rows, two rows or any two columns, the sign of determinant will become negative of previous one. So it is already negative, so negative negative will become positive, correct? So we got x square x 4 x 1 1 2 1 x. Now look at this. Why we guys are doing this, try to understand. Try to observe this column. It is x square x and 2. X square x and 2. Then we have x11. We have x11. We have change, and that change is in the last column. So what I will do, I will take this determinant that side. Okay. So I'll copy paste the question. X square x. So two rows, two columns are equal. X square x 2 x 1 1, and we have x plus 1 x plus 1 1 x. So we got this thing, and we will take this determinant this side, so it is minus. Okay, so it is x square x 4 x 2 1 1 1 x, okay, equals to 0. Now you have seen this kind of situations where you used to split two determinant, but here you should have plus sign, but here we are having minus sign. So how we will make it plus? So you have to do this thing, just replace this with minus and send minus inside to the determinant, and you know that two things has to be same. So what I will do, I will change this, correct? I hope this part is okay. Now you know that if we will club, uh, remaining two columns will remain the same. X square x 2 x 1 1, this x plus 1 minus 4, so x minus 3, 1 minus 1 0, x minus x 0. So we got our things done. Okay, now determinant of this thing is 0. So now we will open directly. Okay, so we will open determinant along this column. So it is x minus 3 and x minus 2 equals to 0. So the value of x becomes 2 and 3. Okay, I hope you guys are comfortable with the idea and the approach. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.